How to block or unblock someone on Bigo Live. While watching the live stream or in chat, find the user you want to block, tap their name or profile picture to open their profile, then tap the three-dot menu on their profile, select block from the option and confirm. This will stop them from sending messages or interacting with you. To unblock a user, go to profile by tapping me at bottom right. Tap the gear icon at the top right. This opens your settings. Find and select block list or blocked user. Scroll through the list and tap unblock next to the user you want to allow again. Confirm the unblock action and now they can interact with you again. You can block or unblock anytime to keep your Bigo Live safe and fun. That's it. You blocked and unblocked user on Bigo Live. Simple and effective. If this helps, smash the like button, subscribe for more Bigo tips. See you in the next one.